Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to allow the camera access on your Chrome app on your smartphone. Right now I'm currently running the Android phone, so it will be similar steps if you're using an iPhone as well. Right now, the first thing you want to do is just simply open up the Chrome application here, and then on the uppermost right hand side you want to click on the three dots there. From here you want to select settings, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says site settings. You want to click on that. From there you will see all sites, and you will see all that is allowed, or if it will say ask first, etc., or blocked. Now as you can see there, the second option in the list is the camera, and it's currently blocked. Right, so all you have to do is just simply click on it. In your case, guys, I must say that it might say ask first, depending if you somehow allow it already, or if it's not working for you, it could be that it's blocked. Right now, all you have to do, just simply click on it, and you want to toggle that on, and that's how it's gonna be on now. So if I go back, you will see it says ask first. That means that it is allowed, and whenever you need to use the camera, it will just ask you the permission and you'll be able to use it. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.